In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a private message on LinkedIn, whether you're reaching out for networking, collaboration, or just catching up with an old acquaintance. Messaging on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure that you can confidently send your message to the right person. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you're going to need to log into your LinkedIn account. You can do this by signing in with Google, Microsoft, or simply using your email address and password. It's important to make sure you have all your login details ready and at hand, especially if you use two-factor authentication. In such cases, you might receive a code on your phone to verify your account. Once you're logged in, find the search bar at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Here you can enter the name or company of the person you wish to message. LinkedIn will display a list of results. If you're not seeing who you're looking for right away, take a moment to refine your search terms or use filters to narrow down the results. It's important to remember that the ability to send direct messages on LinkedIn depends on your account type. If you have a free basic account, you'll only be able to directly message people who are your connections. This means the person you're trying to contact needs to be in your existing network. If they're not and you really need to get in touch with them, you might consider upgrading to a LinkedIn Premium account. This upgrade provides more access and allows you to message people even if you're not connected to them directly. For those of you with a premium account, once you've found the person's profile, look for the message button. It's located prominently in the introduction section at the top of the profile page. Clicking this button will open a message box where you can type your message. Try to keep the message concise and to the point, as respect for the recipient's time is always appreciated. Once you've finished typing your message, simply click send. Your message will be on its way and you can rest assured that you've reached out professionally and effectively. If you're not a premium user, keep in mind that you won't be able to message non-connections directly. However, you might want to explore other avenues to establish that initial connection, such as sending a thoughtful connection request. And that's it. Sending messages on LinkedIn is a key part of maintaining your professional network, so it's worth getting acquainted with the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking!